Alright, what's good, y'all? I am back with my little teeny weeny afro. Would I be considered having a TWA? I'm curious. Let me know in the comment section. But my hair looks like this because I just spritzed it a little bit and kind of like brushed through the curls so that it's easy to manage. Now I have my middle part kind of still here, but if you guys see the title, I'm going to show you guys one of my go-to styles when I don't feel like actually wearing my hair out. I don't be trying to like do too many wash and goes because wash and goes do cause a little bit of breakage. It's either I got it tucked up under a wig or like I'm doing something in between my wig installs. So this is just a style that I found to be very cute and convenient. And I cannot see the back of my head, so we really don't know if this part is straight, but if you've been here for a minute, you know I don't really care because who's gonna come up to me and say, hey, your part's not straight? To be honest, who cares? Got my two sides separated. Just gonna separate them like this. Now, I already have product in my hair, so I'm not gonna add any more product. I'm just gonna use my gel and keep it moving. So, of course, I'm using my Eco, and I'm literally just gonna slap that on the perimeter of the ponytail. Now my hair, when I was supposed to be doing this side first, I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but no, my hair actually feels like it's growing already. It's probably been 3 weeks to a month since I actually cut it. I just never posted the video. I kind of was keeping it a secret for whatever reason. I don't know why I thought people were gonna judge me. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, so my hair already feels like it's growing. I had some parts in the middle that were really short and breaking. I don't know if I showed you guys in the previous video, but they already look kind of grown out a little bit. So yeah, for the most part, I'm just gonna stick to my weekly regimen, and then, you know, here and there, y'all know my weekly regimen. I'm gonna do, of course, my wigs to keep my hair tucked away, and then when I have my hair out, if you guys want me to do like styling videos for my little mini afro, I can. But I know that for sure I do want to try some of these trending styles, like the, what are they called, the eye tips and the tape-ins and stuff like that. I do want to try those, especially because they say like you can still wear wigs and everything when you have those in. Something I just wanted to always try out, and I see a lot of videos on, so why not? I'm not really I'm not really afraid of cutting my hair anymore. Like, we already know this, so it's just I don't have any fear when it comes to my hair anymore. So yeah, it's just something I want to try. Now when I do ponytails, two ponytails in particular, I try to not make it super tight. So when I do the scrunchie, I kind of try to make it extended and not necessarily just tight at the root, because my head gets very sensitive. Okay, maybe I've been taking pictures since I actually cut my hair completely off, so I will be able to show you guys like in comparison what the growth is looking like. Maybe we can do like some check-ins or something every couple months. Let me know what y'all want. Like I said, I'm trying to come back full force on this channel, but of course it's not going to be just hair stuff. It is for now because I'm getting my other stuff together, but hopefully I will come back with like quick easy food recipes, lash extensions, DIY nail extensions and nail sets and stuff like that, because I've just been the DIY girl lately. I don't feel like putting out extra money and couponing whenever I decide to get my behind back to the store. For the hair portion, of course, like I said, is gonna be my wigs, keeping my hair safe, and then just a new natural hair journey. So we see how big my puffs are now. Keep this in mind because in a couple months they're gonna be bigger. I'm going to take a teensy weensy bit of Got To Be and spray it on my edge brush, just a little bit, And I'm just going to use that to brush back this front section just one more time, because of course it's getting better because my hair, like I said, I feel like it's growing already. The fronts of my hair kind of curl up and come out of my ponytails because it was so short. Now I'm going in with some clip-ins from Texture Crush. I did a review of these clip-ins a long time ago, like forever and a day ago. If you guys want to see the full video on these clip-ins, I'll put it in the description box. But I'm going to use a 4-clip and then a 2-clip on each ponytail, and I'm just going to wrap them around. So we're going to take this little string right here and make sure all the clips are closed. So wrap that around. I don't wrap it all the way, I just make sure it's secure. Then we're going to wrap the actual weft around our ponytail. When we get to the end, wrap the other end around the ponytail. The scrunchie is so tight is because when you're wrapping the hair around, this like kind of naturally tightens the ponytail. And like I said, I don't really care for super tight stuff on my hair. I don't like to be uncomfortable and all that. So this is the second one, and this is the weft with the 2 clips. So obviously we look crazy because I rarely comb these clip-ins. I always use them for a bun. But we're gonna do the second ponytail. I just think this is a cute little style to keep my ends tucked away, because I mean it is a little bit of manipulating to the hair, but it's not nothing crazy, because a big part of length, retaining length, is also taking care of your ends as well. It's definitely not an everyday style, because I don't want to slick my hair back too much to manipulate too much. But like I said, whenever I just don't even feel like doing all that, or installing a wig, or I just want to take a wig break, want to let my hair breathe, I tend to do a lot of like little styles with the clip-ins, only because like when I do my actual TWA or teeny weeny afro, the hairstyles don't last as long because it's like, you know, it's shorter, so when I'm sleeping on it, of course it gets flatter faster and all that stuff. So this is what we're working with. We're gonna kind of twist the ponytail like that, and once we got a good bun, I have a little rubber band. I'm just gonna place the rubber band over the bun. But you guys, oop, my rubber band broke. Okay, as I was saying, place the rubber band over the bun, but you guys see that I left the ends out like in the back. Y'all don't have to do that, but this is what I like to do. So same thing on the other side. It doesn't have to be super neat, that's why I like it, and it definitely can stand on its own without coming apart and coming undone when it's windy outside, because right now it is crazy windy in Texas and the wind be trying to hate on me and mess up my hairstyles. So this one actually can stand the rain. So I'm gonna take my spray bottle and I'm just gonna spray the little ends of the ponytail. Now I'm taking a little bit of Eco and I'm running it through those pieces. And I may have to fix my bun again because I kind of loosened it a little bit pulling on the hair. Obviously once this dries, it's going to be not as elongated, and you can kind of do your edges however you please. Sometimes I like to just let mine kind of curl on their own, do their own little thing. Some days I do my edges a little bit more neater than others, and some days I just, like I said, let them do whatever they want to do. Let them curl up and all that stuff. Okay, like that. Now, of course, like I said, once this dries up, it's going to shrink up a little bit. This is basically the style. It's like messy but neat at the same time. And it's definitely one of my go-tos. So I'm gonna give y'all a little twirl. So if my part is not straight in the back, mind your business. I honestly don't know what it looks like, but I hope it is blessing your soul right now. If your hair can semi-fit into a ponytail and you have a TWA, teeny afro, short hair, whatever you want to call it, I would say try this out if you have some clip-ins laying around. Like I said, it's one of my favorite styles. One of my go-tos when I just don't feel like doing my hair. I could wear it for like 2 days. Usually I'll take like the buns out at nighttime, and then I'll just put them back in the morning. Leave the ponytails, just put a scarf on, and then just wrap the hair back around so it's no tension or anything like that when I'm going to bed. But pretty cute, pretty simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Many more natural hair, wig, lifestyle, all types of videos coming soon. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, follow me on all platforms, and subscribe to my other YouTube channels, and I will see you guys in the next one.